What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we get the full debut of the 2023 BMW M3 Touring. Now, it's been a long time coming, and that's no joke. From the very first E30 BMW M3 in the 1980s, enthusiasts have always wondered what a long roof version of it would be like. And it's taken 36 years, but there's no need to wonder anymore. Say hello to the 2023 BMW M3 Touring. That's except for Beamer fans in North America and China, as it will not be coming to those regions. Now, I can tell you this much: BMW only offers the M3 Touring in competition trim, which means 503 horsepower, 375 kilowatts from the familiar turbocharged 3-liter straight-six engine. That also means standard issue xDrive all-wheel drive grip routed through BMW's 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission. Now, punch the throttle and 62 miles per hour or 100 kilometers arrives in 3.6 seconds. Now, keep the accelerator pinned and the wagon will eventually reach 174 miles per hour with the optional M drivers package included. Without it, top speed is regulated to only 155 miles per hour. Either way, your grocery getter will never be the same. Now, you might be thinking this is just a 3 Series Touring and the big M3's nose with the bigger engine. You'd be wrong though. To accommodate for the M-specific rear axle, the M3 Touring is 3.3 inches longer and 3 inches wider than the standard wagon. Now, naturally, it's a bit lower, and since there's a big open space behind the seats, additional bracing is installed underneath the car for added stiffness. All total, the Touring is nearly 200 pounds heavier than the M3 sedan, but the trade-off is the 53.3 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats folded, accessible through the hatch or simply opening the rear window. Now, moving forward, the M3 Touring also stands out for its big curved display, but you won't find this in the M3 sedan. The single screen combines the 12.3-inch driver information center and 14.9-inch infotainment system in one unit, running BMW's latest operating system 8, and since this is an M3, the system features M-specific displays for controlling the plethora of functions, not the least of which being numerous drive modes for comfort, track, and yes, you can even go drifting in your wagon. And that's if you're tired of all-wheel drive grip. There is a two-wheel drive mode as well. Now, the rest of the car is pretty standard issue M3, staggered wheels that measure 19 inches in the front, 20 inches at the back, and the suspension is tuned for fun while being manageable for daily use. And despite the additional junk in the trunk, BMW says weight distribution is nearly 50-50. There are plenty of optional upgrades and colors to choose from, but regardless of the shade, the roof is always black. Now, the order books are open for the 2023 BMW M3 Touring in September, with deliveries in Germany and the UK starting in December. And other markets in Europe, Asia, and Australia will follow, but will remain forbidden fruit in the United States. Unfortunately, here we never get the cool stuff, but pricing will start at 97,800 euros. So with that said, what do you guys think about the final reveal of the BMW M3 Touring? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the new BMW M3 Touring for 2023. Now, with that said, if you guys did enjoy the video today and enjoy what I do here, make sure you check the links down in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, my Patreon, all that good stuff, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love and support, guys. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch, just in case you guys want long sleeve shirts, t-shirts, stickers, tank tops, everything Ron's Rise is there. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. See everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.